Could you tell me a bit more about KTR?
Well, basically KTR is a German coupling manufacturer. We've been manufacturing components for power transmission solutions since for over 50 years. And now we've moved into providing solutions for renewables market. We've had quite a bit of experience, over 20 years, providing solutions for wind power, and we've got products in place now for marine and tidal applications, as well as a few others in renewables.
And can you tell me a bit more about your couplings and what makes them special?
I think the big thing about our couplings for wind is the fact that they're custom designed to meet specific customer requirements, but also our Radix N for wind features a spacer, a GFK spacer, which insulates for electric current between the gearbox and the generator, while also providing a lightweight solution as complete for the whole coupling design. Beyond that, we also offer brakes and other components for wind turbines, which makes us more of a one-stop sort of shop for people looking to design wind turbines and wind turbine components.
And where do you find your main markets are currently?
In the UK, we've got a few components on marine applications, and that, like I said, not as much in the wind as we would in Germany or perhaps China, but we sell our wind products into both onshore and offshore, and hopefully looking for offshore to expand in the UK, and that's can be something we can be a part of.
And I suppose for those people less familiar, why is it essential to have a good coupling?
Well, basically what a coupling does is it acts as a connection for power between your gearbox and your generator. So if between those two things there's a bit of a misalignment as far as the drive shafts, the drivetrain of the components, the coupling handles that misalignment and corrects it, while also allowing optimum transmission of power between one to the next. At the same time, we can incorporate things like a roof flex, which is a torque limiter coupling that allows for at a maximum or an overload potential, it slips, and it basically acts as a safety mechanism between the gearbox and the generator. Yeah.
I suppose looking about 10, 15 years down the road, it's tough to tell, but do you see the wind and offshore wind and marine continuing to press on, and a need for your company to continue to provide good products?
I hope so. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of things in the works at the minute, especially as far as marine renewables, tidal, wave. So with these things are going to have to be a source of energy in the future, and I can't see why they wouldn't come to fulfill that destiny. Hopefully we can be a part of that, especially, like I said, for offshore and marine applications, which is going to be the front runner in terms of marine and renewable. That's hard to say. I guess it's kind of at the stage right now where they're testing the waters, so to speak, and you'll have a better idea, I think, in about 5 years of what's going to be more leading the way as far as marine applications. But definitely offshore is going to be a big thing for us, and in the UK, the fact that we're surrounded by water, it makes sense, doesn't it?